Hold on.
Okay guys, I promised to show you.
I want you to go straight to
As you can
Canton.
see,
Any Shaolin man there
it's showing.
will be your target.
Sir.
Pass up. You.
Working.
You
I'm
will
gonna
leave here
press
next.
stop. You guys can see. And where is the play button? Play. Play. Alright.
Sir.
You guys can see.
Passing. You wait for her
The
once.
cassette recorder is working
And
good.
you'll be the third
Man.
key. And you and
Guys,
she
yes,
should do
guys.
well
This is what I'm
as
coming
you
from,
like
guys.
each
From
other. Right.
way back further than this. You know?
Now then, our teacher, Paymai, is sending one of
Everything
his
is good.
best
Let's
men
stop
here,
it and see
coaching
if
Joe.
the cassette eject like it's supposed to. Perfect. So all is well with it. So that's it, guys. As you can see, blast from the past. Everything is working perfectly fine. Okay, out. CNC Electronics Sales and Repair and Sales. Guys, please give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Like, subscribe, and you know, do the right thing, as they would say. I'm out. Hey guys, CNC Electronics with I'll give you a part share of this video. For those who do not remember how to hook up the, you know, VHS to a TV. Remember, you have the antenna input at the top, and down here you have the out to. Now I see here it says out. Yeah, it just says out here. Or you could hook it up through here. But before, we used to use this. If some people, before, way back before it start come with video out and stuff like that, we used to use the antenna section of it like that. And then back here you put it to the VHS or the VHS HF VHF / UHF, and that's it, you know, for those who don't remember. That's how we used to do it, guys. Right, and the TV should be on channel 3, although I just turned it off. It should be on channel 3. That, don't miss that. Or if you're gonna use channel 4, there's a little switch right here. You switch it, so it, you know, and that's it. But those who don't remember or didn't remember, that's how we used to do it, guys. Thank you for watching. CNC Electronics Sales and Repairs and Sales. And that's, I'm out. Thank you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching.
Hold on.